Good morning, magandang umaga, buenos dias. This little video is going to help you figure out how to do the religion reflections that have been assigned earlier at the beginning of this online learning experience. So if you would, what I'd like you to do, please, is open up the reflection journal area of Ms. Wojciech's information station, and it has these posts. So they were initially posted on D2L separately, but if you're at a point where you just need to do them all in one shot here, okay, you go ahead and open it straight from here. Create yourself a new Google Docs, please, or it can be an email. It really doesn't matter as long as I get your material. That's great. And I've also learned how to look at things through Google Dropbox, or what's that called? D2L Dropbox. So if you want to send your files that way, you can. Sending emails I find is helpful so that I know to look at something as well. Okay, so let's start with a blank document. Let's always remember to title whatever it is. Okay, so in this case, it's Reflection Journal. Okay, and it already has your name on it, so you don't need to put your name, but you can if you want. And then, of course, we want to hand it in. So really, it's a bit backwards to hand something in before you even do it, but it's a good way to remember to do it right away. So you start typing in Ms. Wojciech, and you want to pick, it doesn't really matter which one you pick. That's the one I actually check the most, but now that we're doing online learning, I also check my @Learn one pretty well every day. So that's a good one for assignments. So you click the @Learn one, and you could tell it's @Learn because my little face pops up. Okay, so there, you shared it. Next, you go in and you copy paste the questions. Okay, your Control-C, Control-V. And then you go in and you give your own answers. Okay, so you say, my answer to the question is this, and I'm writing at least 5 sentences. Okay, right now we're just marking for quantity. Okay, you give me 5 lovely sentences and I'm going to answer you, is the plan. So I marked a bunch of them and responded to a few. So I might say something. And I purposely put a different color so you can tell. And then if you could respond after, okay, maybe you could pick a different color. That would be great because I'm not able to connect with you right now. So it'd be nice to stay in the loop. And that's a big part of what religion class is checking our feelings, checking with others, right? Love one another as I have loved you. So, I'm showing that I care about you by listening what you have to say here. So we did do questions A, B, C, D, and E already in terms of them having been assigned. So this week has been about catching up, just in case we were still getting our feet under us for the online learning before Easter time. I know I thought we'd be going back by now, but we're not. So we've got to settle in and make sure we've got all our work done. Okay, so you finish that one up, please. And that one we're going to have as due. Oh, there's my alarm to wake up. So we're using a calendar tool to help us know when things are important. So we're going to have our religion assignment, this one here, due next Wednesday, please. If you could have it done, that would be very much appreciated. Looking forward to hearing your responses.